In this video, I'll try Nara Smith's most proudest favorite recipe she's created and give it a review.
Which from scratch meal are you the most proud of? Probably my grilled cheese I made. It was the best grilled cheese I've had. It was the best grilled cheese I've had. It was the best grilled cheese I've had.
In that video, Nara Smith creates 4 main ingredients to make that recipe. 1. Mozzarella cheese. 2. Sourdough bread. 3. Garlic and herb butter. And 4. Fresh basil pesto. The only one I'll make from scratch is the fresh basil pesto. All of which she creates from scratch. But since I don't have the time to do all 4 of these from scratch, the other 3 I wasted no time and I just bought from the store. To make the fresh basil pesto, I first pluck 2 cups of basil leaves from my garden.
Kids love pesto, so I made a fresh basil pesto by putting some basil, pine nuts, some garlic, a splash of lemon juice into my food processor while slowly adding some olive oil.
And then I blend that in my blending cup.
And then I finished it off with some Parmesan cheese.
Blend again with the Parmesan cheese and then set this aside.
I sliced up my mozzarella and then spread some of that butter on my bread.
Half a stick should be enough. She spreads the butter on all 4 sides of the 2 bread.
Pesto on top. Added some more pesto on the other side and also butter on the outside of the bread so it could get really crispy in the pan. But layered on the mozzarella.
She puts 4 slices of sliced mozzarella. Then put in the pan on medium heat until the bread has been toasted on both sides and the cheese has been melted.
I pull it out once it's crisp and the cheese has melted, and the kids absolutely devoured this.
Alright, this looks good. Now let's give this a review. We're gonna try Nara Smith's favorite proudest moment recipe. Garlic herb grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, let's give it a try. This is good. So even though I only made the fresh basil pesto part from scratch, this came out really good. The taste of the mozzarella cheese and the garlic and herb butter went really well together. I give this sandwich a 10 out of a 10. Thank you, Nara Smith. This was one of the best grilled cheese sandwiches I've had. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.